In this video, you'll learn how to add product options to existing products. First, click on the name of the site you're going to add the options to. Then click on Modules. Then click on the e-commerce module. Then click Products. Now locate the product you want to add the options to and click Edit. Here you'll see the existing product. Scroll down to the Options field. This particular product has two options already. Let's add another one by clicking on Add Option. First, decide what type of option this will be and select it from the drop-down. We're going to choose Custom Text. Next, we're going to name this option. This option is asking them if they want any text on the frame of their picture. Under default value is where you would type in the options, such as please select, yes, or no. You can also add an equal plus after any of your options to add a dollar amount to the cost of that option. You can specify if this is required or not. You can also calculate it based on a word count. You can also calculate it based on a character count. A character would be considered each individual letter. You can choose a flat rate or a cost per word. Here you can count the date or a phone number as one word. This is where you would specify if they get any words for free. Here you can specify the max number of words and the max number of characters. Exclusion list means what words will you exclude from what they're allowed. When you're done, scroll down and click OK. Next, click Save. Now I'm going to show you the other way of adding options to existing products. Scroll over to the left and click on Product Options. Click on Add Option. First, select what type of option this is going to be. Next, give it a name and a label. Next, we're going to click on Switch to Text Editor to put in the options for this. Value List is where you enter the options for this. You can see here that I made choosing yes cost an extra $1. You can also choose to use images for each option if it applies. Selection type, they're asking you if you want a single selection or a multiple selection. This means could they choose yes and no in the same drop-down. This is asking you the minimum and the maximum amount of items they're allowed to select from. Columns is asking you how many columns you want to display these options in. If you click Apply To and click on the word None, you can select it to just selected products. I'm going to click on Products at the top and apply this only to selected products. Check the boxes next to each product you want to apply this to. Click Apply when you're done. and then click OK when you're done. Now let's preview these options we've created. This shows our Add Gift Wrap option. As you can see, it has changed the price to $15 instead of $14. This is where your buyer would type in any text they wanted on their frame. Once it goes past the 5 free words we gave them, you'll notice it'll charge 5 cents per word after that. They would just click on Add to Cart when they were done.